Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a transfer market filter to purchase the specific player for your team in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So previously this game is FIFA Mobile, right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So if you need player like I give you an example. Let's go to live events like challenge mode. This one, the condition not met because at least have 3 La Liga players in your lineup. So if you do not have La Liga player, you can purchase La Liga player in the transfer market. Let's go back to main page, tap the market button, go to the search and use this search filter. Tap league, tap La Liga, tap save and search. This is all La Liga player that you can purchase to join a challenge mode. So thank you for watching. I made this video for the beginner only. Thank you for watching. Once more time, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.